Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Friday, September 16th, 2022. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and Day Trader S&P 500. I want to get you guys caught up with all the action, a lot going on. Let's start as we usually do with the Qs. You can see we have 5 waves down with the reds and the circles to an A wave. We got a 3 wave B up. And you can see I've subdivided that first 5 waves down. That is a 1 and that is a 2. Let's look at that a little bit closer if we can. Get into the 1 hour chart. Okay, bear with me while I expand that out. Extrapolate this stuff. Move that B over. Hello B, come here. There we go. Let's do this and do this here. And you can see we've had, well, these are off just a little bit, but a 1 in blue, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. That would be a larger wave 1. I can put that in there. Let me do that right here. We'll make that a 1. There we go. Wave 2 went right above the Fibonacci 500. Let me throw that in there if I can. Okay, and there is the 2. Okay, and then we can look for wave 3, and it's just starting. There's 1, 2, and 3 of 3 is subdividing or extending. Let me get that extension here. See if I can get that real close. May not be to the penny, but it's pretty darn close. And that third wave here is right at 270, okay? 270.61. If we back out to the daily, we can look at, I'll have to refix that now, guys. Let's do that there. Let's move that short-term target or near-term target, which we just put up there, right at the previous wave A low, that is. And we need to see that break for the C wave to get confirmation. But let me move that out of the way, and you can see from this A down and that B up, wave C is all the way down there at 195. That's where C gains equality with wave A. So that's what we're looking at. We should be in a third of third waves. If you want to count A as a 1 and B as a 2, C is going on, and then we got a 1, 2 on that. And that break of that previous low was huge. And the break of that 616 low of 269.28 will be even more huge. We'll see that accelerate to the downside once it is broken. Let's look at the US10yr. I've got this down to a daily chart because we've been looking at this ABC correction off of that high back in June of 3.497. And you can see this thing has gone up, made virtual double top at 3.490%. Once that is broken, then we can see that that's going to go up to a higher wave 5. That's a 3 there. Okay, and what to see if it holds, then we'll look for an A down here, a B up there, and a C down there. But let's see that double top broken, and then it's off to the races, higher and higher interest rates. Let's look at the S&P cash. We'll work our way down from the all-time high. We're looking at a daily chart. You can see here we have in black wave 1 down, wave 2 up, wave 3 down, wave 4 up, wave 5 down for the larger wave A, red parentheses, wave B up, direct hit on the 618 retrace, and you can see right there we have that 1 down and 2 up. Again, that key level was broken to the downside from the September 6th low. Again, the next big one will be the June 17th low at 36.36, but we're in a third of third wave, it appears. We'll break that down. I think we can get to the 816 high on that. Let me move that. There's the 816 high. I wanted to show you guys first. There's the A wave low. And then we've got an A, B, C up for the larger wave B. There's A wave low in parentheses there. There's B wave high. And we're in wave C. And we showed that. Or did we show that? We didn't show that. Go back a little bit. That C gains equality with A at 32.64 in the cash market. And on the shorter term from that high, we've got a 1 down. You can see in parentheses there, a 2 up. Let me move that date over a little bit. And we're in wave 3 down. And that is subdividing again. That broke below that, the wave 1 low at 38.86 right there. So the next near-term target on this wave scale, one smaller degree of trend, is 36.81 in the cash. And we can look here at a 10-minute and there's that 36.81 down there. Let me squeeze the rest of that in there if I can. There we go. The August 16 high, and then the move down, wave 1 down, 2 up, and there's where 3 gains equality. And of course there's lower targets than that, but we'll leave that there for now and go to the ES, the E-mini futures. Same thing. We got the January 4th high, and then the A wave low down here. 3 waves up for wave B, and you can see that wave C, if I can get down to that, that gains equality at 3159.75. And within wave C, we have a 1 down, a 2 up. We should get 5 waves down, just like if you follow here in the red. 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, 5 down makes a larger wave A. 3 waves up for B in parentheses. C should be the same. A 1 down, 2 up, and a 3, 4, 5. We got a little ways to go. And then we can see the internal wave count there, where that's a 1 down at 9.6 low, a 2 up at the 9.13. We're looking at 37.30 for that, almost 31. I think I had a 31 on another chart. We'll get down and break that down a little bit better here. And this is the hourly chart. Let me get into that 816 high. There we go. You can see we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 was a Fibonacci 1.414 multiple. Okay, and that got us down here to the 9.6 low, wave 1. Then we've got a wave 2 up there. I've got an alternate count in blue or purplish blue. And you can see from that 9.13 high, which was 1 day off of our Fibonacci turn date of 9.14, we've got, again, 1 down, 2 up, and this is breaking down. We can get into that a little bit. It's getting really close. By the way, it's about 1:13 p.m. Central Time as I'm recording this. And you can see right here we have a couple multiples within each other. We got a 37.33 and a quarter and a 37.31. That's this extension here. And let me just I'll put that in there real quick. We'll make it a little bit better here. And we've got a 1 down, a 2 up, and that's where that 3 equals wave 1. And this is where this wave 3, I'll put that in there, the larger wave count. Let's get it in there, and we'll get a 1, 2, 3 right there. Okay, so we have a cluster, if you can call 2 a cluster, of Fibonacci targets right around 37.33 to 37.31. That's the hourly. I think this 10-minute will show that a little better. Same chart. You can see they're both right there. I think I can show that to you guys on our charts that we sent out to our subscribers to our monthly newsletter. Okay, there's the pre-market open. I think that was pretty early in the morning. Let me see, that was 5:40 something Central, and you can see that 10-minute bar there, and that's got the wave 1 down, the wave 2 up, and here we've got, if this thing moves up here, it can't go above that high there. And there's our targets, 37.31 and 37.33 and a quarter. That's different wave 3 targets at 2 different degrees of trend. That's that 3, which is just the 1, 2, and then the 3 with the parentheses. You can see them right there. So that's what we're looking at there. I think I had, there's all of our other targets. I think I had another one where I had another alternate count, and I think I went ahead and updated that in our morning report this morning a few hours ago. And yeah, it's the one in blue, okay? And this one, it hit pretty close. We're used to direct hits within a point or two, but I just wanted to put this on the table, if you will. But you can see the alternate count in blue, where we would count 5 waves down, and then we would be looking for a retracement up to these retracement targets here. I think I have them in there, but that previous 4th wave would be right where the 382 is, and that is, let me see if I've got that 4th wave target there. Blue wave retracement targets are right here, 39.76 and a quarter, 40.14 and a quarter, and 40.52 and a quarter, and that should be that 39.76 should be right up there. So that's that alternate count there. Okay, let's get rid of that. Let's leave you guys with what we're looking at right now in the ES. We don't want to go that far. that breaks it down pretty good, okay? We've got a 1 down, a 2 up, we're in 3. We've got a 1 down, a 2 up, we're in 3. Make or break against that wave 2 high. We'll see how this unfolds. We got a little less than 2 hours left in the trading day. Have a great weekend, and until next time, take care, everyone.